Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Watchwire News, where we bring you the latest news and updates in the world of wearable technology. Imagine a smartwatch that's not only stylish but also sustainable, with a unique modular design that makes it both repairable and upgradable. Sounds like science fiction, right? But for UNA Watch, this isn't just a pipe dream, it's a reality. UNA Watch has just secured over $330,000 in funding from its Kickstarter campaign, beating its estimated target and proving that consumers are willing to invest in a sustainable alternative to the Apple Watch. And what sets it apart is its modular design, which allows users to swap out parts and add new ones as needed, essentially making it like Lego. But what's even more exciting is the development community behind UNA Watch. The company's offer of both a software development kit, SDK, and a hardware development kit, HDK, has attracted developers from all over, with 1 in 6 backers opting to buy the development tool. That's right, these developers are eager to get their hands on this platform and create new apps and sensors. This open-source approach is reminiscent of the success of Pebble back in the day, and UNA Watch seems to be following a similar path. With its modular design, GPS, health monitoring, and 10-day battery life, it's clear that UNA Watch has something special up its sleeve. Now we know what you're thinking. When can I get my hands on one? Well, the estimated delivery date for the first Kickstarter packages is August 2025, so mark your calendars. And trust us, it'll be worth the wait. Thanks for watching Watchwire News, and we'll catch you in the next video.